Welcome! Today, let's take a fun journey through the house and learn about all the different rooms. Are you ready? Let's go! Bedroom. The bedroom is where we sleep and relax. Look at the comfy bed, soft pillows, and warm blanket. A good night's sleep helps us wake up happy and full of energy. Bathroom. This is where we take a bath, brush our teeth, and wash our hands. Keeping clean is super important. Do you see the sink, bathtub, and fluffy towels? Living room. The living room is where families relax, watch TV, and spend time together. Look at the comfy sofa, the big TV, and the cozy rug. This is a perfect place for fun and family time. Kitchen. Next stop, the kitchen. This is where we cook delicious food and store yummy snacks. Do you see the fridge, stove, and sink? The kitchen is like a magic place where ingredients turn into meals. Dining room. Now, let's sit down in the dining room. This is where we eat meals together. Look at the big table, the chairs, and the plates ready for dinner. Eating together is a special time for family. Laundry room. The laundry room is where we wash and dry clothes to keep them fresh and clean. Here, we have a washing machine, washing basket, and washing line. Wow! We learned so much today. A house has many rooms, each with a special purpose. Which room is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for exploring with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.